Hey there, this is Diane. I'm live in Guanajuato in Mexico with a group of about 50 wonderful entrepreneurs. Here is a group. These are my power Facebook users who have more than 10,000 Facebook followers. We're doing a demo right now to this class. I'm going to turn it around to show how Facebook Live works. This is our group. We're in a classroom in a training. Say hi, everybody. Okay, Dawn. Hey, Dawn is watching. Hi, Dawn. Okay, mi amiga Dawn está online. Se puede ver. Okay, we're here. Tell us the name of the course.
Se llama Programa de Aceleración para la Industria Joyera.
This is the acceleration program for the jewelry industry in Guanajuato. It is sponsored by the state of Guanajuato, the economic development. My dear friend Gina Tello is the organizer. I'm here with Esther someplace. And here are these wonderful people. Who speaks English? My audience, who speaks English? Tell us what you think. What have you learned so far?
A lot. I mean, I started to learn about the importance of talking from a brand point of view, but to the people.
Perfect. What have you learned? ¿Quién más habla inglés? Okay, tell us what you've learned. This is my power panel. Tell us what you've learned. ¿Qué aprendiste?
What I learned, I'm learning about like merchandise and stuff. Like I'm learning a lot with Diane.
Okay, everybody, say hi and bye. Bye-bye.